Keep it going, guys. You guys have breath. I want you guys to use it to praise God. Alright, I want you guys to shout it out. I know it's loud, but that's because I want you guys to sing loud, alright? Maybe give you guys some space too. It's gonna get really hot here, maybe. The one who will can forget your name. I stand with you, that's all I do. 'Cause there's nothing close to you. And all I want in this lifetime is you. And all I want in this world is you. Tell the world that Jesus lives. Tell the world now. Tell the world now. Tell the world that we died for you. Tell the world that we still live. No longer I, but Christ in me. This is the truth that set me free. How could this world be a better place? By thy mercy, by thy grace, say all I want in this lifetime is you. All I want in this world is you. Yeah. Tell the world that Jesus lives. Tell the world that, tell the world that, tell the world that we died for you. Tell the world that it's okay. Tell the world that Jesus lives. Tell the world that, tell the world that, tell the world that we died for you. Tell the world that it's okay. Yes. Come on, we'll tell the world about you. Come on, we'll tell the world about you. Can you guys sing? Come on, we'll tell the world about you.